Welcome to Critical Reviews. Today we're diving into the SPT SD-6502W dishwasher. Spoiler alert, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's count down the reasons why you might want to think twice before buying this appliance. Reason number 7. Poor customer support. Many users reported that when they faced issues, the company was unresponsive and unhelpful. Imagine having a broken dishwasher and no one to help you fix it. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Reason number 6. Error codes galore. Users have complained about constant error messages and the machine failing to drain properly. If your dishwasher is throwing tantrums like a toddler, that's definitely a red flag. Reason number 5. The door issues. Some users experienced broken door springs and latches within the first week of use. If your dishwasher door won't stay closed, you might as well wash your dishes by hand. Reason number 4. Inconsistent cleaning performance. Several reviews mention that even with pre-rinsed dishes, the SPT SD-6502W struggled to clean effectively. If you're looking for a dishwasher that leaves your dishes spotless, this might not be the one. Reason number 3. A lack of replacement parts. Users have reported difficulty finding parts when something goes wrong. If you can't fix it, you'll have to replace it, which is not ideal for a product that's supposed to last. Reason number 2. Complicated user manual. Many users found the manual confusing and lacking in helpful information. If you need a PhD to operate your dishwasher, that's a problem. And finally, reason number 1. The price. At around $868, you'd expect a top-notch dishwasher. Unfortunately, many users feel that the SPT SD-6502W does not deliver value for money given its performance issues. Thanks for watching our review of the SPT SD-6502Ws. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more critical reviews. Remember, a good dishwasher should make your life easier, not harder.